Welcome back, viewers, to another fascinating episode of Science Explorers. Today, we're delving deep into the incredible world of the human skeletal system. Join me as we unravel the mysteries behind each part of the body and learn about the number of bones in the human skeleton. If you're simply curious about the human body, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Our body's framework, the human skeletal system, is a marvel of nature. It provides structure, protection, and support. You'll be amazed to know that an adult human has a total of 206 bones. First up, we have the skull, comprising 22 bones. It safeguards the brain and houses the sensory organs like the eyes, ears, and nose. Moving down to the spine, or vertebral column, we find 26 bones. These vertebrae protect our spinal cord and also provide flexibility for movements. The rib cage. It's made up of 24 ribs and sternum. These bones shield vital organs like the heart and lungs, while also aiding in the process of breathing. Now, let's focus on the upper limbs. Each arm contains 30 bones. This includes the shoulder girdle, arm bones, wrist bones, and finger bones. Moving down to the pelvis, we have a single bone known as the pelvic bone, but it's made up of 3 fused bones. This basin-like structure supports the lower trunk and connects the spine to the legs. Finally, the lower limbs. Each leg is composed of 30 bones, just like the upper limbs. From the thigh bone to the ankle and down to the toes, these bones enable us to stand, walk, and run. And there you have it, an overview of the human skeletal system and the number of bones in each part of the body. Remember, this knowledge is crucial for you, so make sure to review and understand these concepts thoroughly. As we wrap up today's episode, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of our skeletal system. The human body truly is a work of art. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more educational content, and share this video with your fellow learners. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.